It's a major blizzard for April that may tread into the historic category. We're expecting blizzard conditions for those of you in southern Manitoba and northwestern Ontario.
Forecasters say this spring storm could bring as much as 80 centimeters of snow in some areas.
The Colorado low just hit Winnipeg and it's awful outside, but inside it's still summer. All the plants look good and really colorful. Let's have a look. So let's start by Ventricosa by Amara. Great. We have the Vicii that is also great, a new picture, another new picture. This is Robcontlii by Mollis. And just beside, we have another one, really cool, that just popped open. It's Spectabilis by Vicii. So all these plants are really happy, and it's not because of the weather, because clearly the weather is awful right now. That's because of the additional lights, the grow lights I use. So the first big one is the Sensi 70 watt. So that's a great one. That's really powerful. It's really light and hollow, so really don't produce any heat. So that's great. And the next one is the Sensi 36 watt. So that's, again, really bright, and plants love that. You can tell by the color of the leaves, the number of pictures everywhere. Good leaf jump too, so clearly all the plants I have benefit from it. Even the banana is happy here. So when people ask me, do I need to use grow light on my windowsill? Well, I would say it depends if you want great plants during winter or not. Because here, when it's gray, that's very helping. Oh, and if you want to buy the lights, there is a 15% promo code on the description below. So it's even cheaper than Amazon.